फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello and welcome to Cricket Next. मैं हूं सौम्य कपूर and we are getting a big update from Ahmedabad that RCB had cancelled their practice session ahead of the eliminator match against Rajasthan Royals. Well, why did they do so? Was there any threat, terror attack threat or security concern? Well, we have Sahil Malhotra joining me from Ahmedabad with all the details. Sahil, बहुत सारे speculations चल रहे हैं. Why did they cancel the practice session and everything? Can you just tell us the details?
No, I think Soumya, yes, they had a practice session scheduled at the university ground in Ahmedabad. Why they practiced there? First, let's get some clarity on that. They practiced there. The practice was scheduled there because the venue for the IPL match was busy with qualifier 1 between KKR and SRH. Both games were back to back. So the usual practice of hosting a practice session and pre-match press conferences at the venue of the match wasn't possible because the venue wasn't available. Hence, they were given an option to train at the university ground in Ahmedabad. While Rajasthan Royals continued with their practice, they trained between 4 to 6 p.m. I got an official confirmation from the Rajasthan Royals. They trained there between 4 to 6 p.m., but RCB cancelled their practice session. Now, we haven't got a specific reason for them cancelling the practice session, but Gujarat Cricket Association officials, people who kind of arranged the practice facility there, told me that RCB had informed them about cancelling their practice session before the arrests were actually made. So they kind of said that there's no need to panic right now. Everything is in order. Everything is in place. And the reports of both teams cancelling their pre-match media conference, I think those are completely false because there wasn't any media activity scheduled. And those media activities aren't done by teams. They are done by the Board of Control for Cricket in India. They have a media team on the ground who are managing those activities. And I spoke to people there and they said that if anything had to happen, it had to happen at the match venue. And the match venue was busy. Hence, there wasn't any press conference scheduled. Even for Monday, KKR and SRH, who were officially scheduled to have a press conference before their game on Tuesday, which is yesterday, that did not happen because both KKR and SRH had a traveling day. Both teams chose not to practice or have a media conference, and it had nothing to do with the threats. KKR and SRH cancelling their press conference. Similarly, RCB and RR never were supposed to have a press conference yesterday, and those reports of them actually cancelling their media briefings because of an alleged terror threat, I think those are completely false.
How did this this speculation come up? कुछ specific reason पता लगा कि ये बात, क्योंकि obviously if you are talking about that bigger threat, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो शायद होगा. So anything on that? No,
I think Soumya, see, it's kind 1 plus 1 becoming 11 or 2 for us now because see, Virat Kohli is a big name and his team was supposed to practice. They didn't practice. Four people with suspected terror links were arrested from the Ahmedabad airport, and but I didn't see any kind of panic yesterday at the ground. क्योंकि आप सोचो अगर practice session cancel हो रहा है तो सबसे पहले तो match cancel करो ना. मैच हुआ ना, 70-75-80 हजार लोग यहाँ पर थे. Flawless entry exit. I did not take the media shuttle. I kind of walked into the venue with our colleague Akash Biswas and it was very, very seamless. कोई problem नहीं हुआ. मतलब we were well cooperated by the security officials at the security counters as well, and I did not face any problem whatsoever. वरना अगर इतना बड़ा कुछ रहता, so the state would have been on alert, right? Because 4 top teams of the IPL, so many dignitaries are here. Yesterday, who's and who's of Bollywood were here. BCCI secretary was here. All the top shots were here watching the game. So उसका कोई chance नहीं लेगा ना यार. And university ground पे अगर the way I look at it, it's just my personal opinion. I think RCB wouldn't want to waste their energies at a university ground ना. मैच का फील चाहिए तो आप वेन्यू पे खेलोगे. अब यूनिवर्सिटी ग्राउंड पे आकर कैसा विकेट मिल रहा है, क्या मिल रहा है, whether it is in sync with the venue or not, all those things matter, right? Before we jump to conclusions and kind of connect the dots which are so far away from each other, I think we also need to factor in the fact that maybe the team didn't want to train at a university ground and they are well within their rights to say no. I'm not saying that they should have been arranged a better facility क्योंकि facility था नहीं. Such was the schedule. आपको net session मिलता नहीं. And RCB reached Ahmedabad Monday morning. So they rested on Monday. There was a practice session scheduled for Tuesday, which is yesterday. It didn't happen, so be it, yaar. हो गया, अब इसको एकदम एक्सट्रीम पे मत लेके जाओ ना। एक्सट्रीम पे जाता तो फिर कल का मैच भी कैंसिल होता, आज का भी कैंसिल होता। प्रैक्टिस इंपॉर्टेंट है तो फिर जो 22 खिलाड़ी अंदर खेल रहे हैं और जो 75,000 मैच देख रहे हैं और जो 50-60 मीडिया के लोग भी मैच देख रहे हैं, उनकी जिंदगी नहीं है क्या? हम भी तो बैठे हैं भाई, हमें भी कुछ बता दो।
But lastly, that brings me to a very, very, interesting discussion. I've started saying this interesting discussion. ये logistical issues को क्यों consider नहीं करा जाता? I understand. आपको scheduling उस तरीके से करना है, but आप 2 matches लगातार कर रहे हो. So Tuesday वाले मैच में तो फिर भी एक टीम के पास breathing space है Monday practice करने का या press conference, hold करने का. Wednesday वाले के पास तो नहीं है.
No, see, Soumya, I think थोड़ा सा इस बार हमें benefit of doubt देना पड़ेगा because see, it was a very difficult exercise to hold a complete IPL in India when general elections were going on. So they had to adjust a lot of things because of the polling schedule. When the EC, Election Commission of India, announced the polling schedule, a lot of changes were made according to the zones which were set to poll. So बहुत चीजें change हुई, आपको बहुत सारी चीजें schedule में इसीलिए change होती हुई दिखी. And maybe that is why they did not have the ideal gap which would have been and should have been there between the last league game which happened on Sunday. Fortunately, it was watched out for RR and KKR, तो उनको थोड़ा breathing space extra मिल गया. KKR तो breathe ही कर रही है यार, उनके तो last 2 मैच I think wash out हो गए ना. और उनका जो उससे पहले वाला मैच था वो भी rain affected था.
एक वीक का गैप मिला उन्हें.
और अभी उनको फिर 5 दिन का गैप मिल गया. तो अभी तो पार्टी चालू है एकदम वहां पर. तो मतलब lot of things were not possible because of the general elections, and we must give credit where it's due because it was a very, very comprehensive exercise to host IPL when the elections were going on. And now that it has happened successfully, little hiccups here and there will happen, yeah. But just hosting 10 teams, so many overseas players, regular flights, and all those things, it's a big task.
Yeah. Well, we just hope everything goes seamless. बिल्कुल अच्छे से एलिमिनेटर मैच निकले एंड उसके बाद आप चेन्नई जाए, वहां से हमारे लिए अपडेट्स लेकर आए. वेल, इस अपडेट के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया साहिल. आपसे दोबारा जुड़ेंगे और अहमदाबाद से, उसके बाद चेन्नई से आपसे बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर अपडेट्स. बाय.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.